Here's Evie making a snow angel. This is May long weekend at Stephenfield Park near Carman, Manitoba. So what do we got? It's May 17th? May 18th?
May 17th.
And here's our May 17th snow angel.
Welcome to Canada.
Yeah, up in Canada if you haven't guessed that. Let's take a little look. We got some nice flurries going on. Oh yeah. Take a look at that picnic table because we're at a campground.
Snowball in May.
And just a little further proof. Now we were nice and cozy in the camper for dinner though, so we're not actually tenting, but a lot of people are out tenting this weekend. We got some people probably abandoning. See, well, there's a camper down the way. Yeah. Welcome to Manitoba.